Hey, it's your buddy Josh AK Killer 95 here. This is the last slice of pie on the challenge. This will prove I am a king of this challenge. I've got here a Monster Energy juice. And I'm not going to post this today because YouTube has such strict rules on how much I post. So let's get this. Without further ado, I am Josh AK Killer 95. Let's get this. Let's prove I'm a king of this challenge. That actually gives me some vitamin C. This tastes pretty good. Yep. Oh yeah, I am the king of this vending machine, everybody. Okay, before we close out this video, I want to show you guys which vending machine I challenged. Okay guys, this vending machine in the north building of our college campus, PPSC, is what I challenged. And just to conclude out this challenge, I started out for a drinking Sprite for training. I had my choice between pineapple and strawberry Fanta. I chose the pineapple. I drank the Diet Coke. I drank the Coke Zero Sugar. I drank the regular Cokes, as you see. I drank the Cherry Coke. I drank the Coca-Cola Dream World, or I should call it Coke in the future. I drank the Dr. Pepper. And just to prove I was a king of this challenge, which I already am, I started out with the Monster Zero Sugar. And then I did the Monster Energy. And then I just now did the Monster Juice. And I'm now a king. And this concludes this vending machine challenge. Thank you guys for being a big participant of me. And peace.